Dad's filming. This is what you
So look, that's your salsa dance? That'll be great for the
Oops. Oh, Ryan, hold Ada's hand. And you two here, I'll hold these. And now you two do a dance, twirl each other. Be very gentle.
I won't know how to
Wow,
play.
good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're smart. You'll figure it out. I bet you'll be really good at that. You already know how to play soccer.
What's sad is they're better dancers than I am.
They're uninhibited. I didn't notice
This reminds me of the dance Marie and I did at Formal together, where they formed a big circle around us,
clapping and cheering you guys on.
and the DJ played this song exactly.
Okay, this guy's dragging him around.
Ryan, what are you starting with, guys? Remember? Oh, cool.
Campbell's like, Ryan, let's focus on manly things.